Hey, Matt fishing. Me, the wife,
see.
lovely wife. She can't see, the sun's in her eyes. And we're fishing the pond today. Over here where she works at. My kids down there playing. And we hope to catch some. See you there. We're ready for some topwater action.
Yeah.
There's my daughter right there. Say hey.
Hey. Hi, I'm Daddy.
And my son.
Hey. He didn't want to show me the I guess he's too busy fishing. Always doing his best trying to catch some fish.
Oh!
Came off.
It come off.
I thought I was a goner.
Man, thought you was a goner.
I did. I thought that fish was about to come in.
Hey,
That would have been a good fish.
that was a good fish.
Man, come on.
I thought I had a good hook set.
We just got jinxed out there.
That turtle was getting it, son. Trying to get to my frog.
It was?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because it wants to eat it.
Okay, this is how the food chain goes.
You need to throw over that way, baby. Where the opening is. You good. Oh my God.
A bass came up for it. That was
I was like, I'll take some algae.
Man.
scary. Was that a turtle?
I'm gonna get my frog.
Alright.
Or my frog.
He was right there the whole time.
Waiting. Now y'all know where the bass.
Got him.
Stop, y'all stole my bass now.
Oh. Yeah, that's a monster.
Oh, is it, is there a way you can tell if it's the same one we caught before? It looks like that mama. He stole my bass. It looks like that mama that we've been catching, y'all.
Oh.
Y'all, look at that thing.
Woo.
You caught my bass.
I sure did.
How rude. Actually, that probably would have broke your pole.
Yeah, it would have broke her pole. Her pole can't hold that.
So you should have been saying thank you for catching it for me so I can take all the credit. And now I get to take the credit. That's their yield. You've never seen a fish yield?
And that's a nice bass.
Yeah, definitely.
Man. Alright.
That makes a nice glaze. My daddy says a bass is nice. He means a bass is nice.
And here, I'm going to show you. Watch this right here. When you throw it out there, you got to be reeling immediately. You throw it, reel it. See, can you see the beetle spin or no? See it right there? It's like on top of the water just about it. Reel it in.
Should have had your GoPro when I caught that triple tail. I know. Maybe if we had a picture of it, maybe we could show y'all, but sorry, we don't.
Here you go. Reel it, reel it, reel it. Reel it.
Grandma or back.
that's good. Oh, don't reel it no more.
Oh, good job.
That's a nice brim, nice bluegill.
I'll hold it and take a picture with it, I guess.
You want to take a picture with it, you guess? Or you do want to take a picture with it?
Can I hold its mouth or no? Almost looks like a red breast because it has.
Nah, it's a bluegill.
Does it have teeth?
Mm-mm. Grip it hard now. You can't, you gotta be gripping it hard. Hard. There you go. Look at me. All right. We'll take a still photo out of that.
Nice brim.
But yeah, as soon as you throw it out, you got to be reeling quick.
He caught me in a lot of altitude.
Y'all want to go down to the other section?
No.
You can stay here if you want to, buddy.
Okay.
What you in my fishing spot for? I'm just messing with you. Here. You're welcome. No, I'll try to go over here and fish. How many poles you got, woman?
I just caught that big one, see it? See it, Andrew?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Another nice bass. Woo.
Oh my gosh, look at that bird, Andrew.
Uh-huh. Yeah. You gotta love it. I know it's pretty, baby. I know it's fat. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I watched him hit at it like 2 or 3 times.